Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will guide you on how to enter the Westinghouse Smart TV service menu. Make sure the TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original Westinghouse infrared remote. Always take photos of the original settings before making any changes. Wrong adjustments can cause display or software issues. Now let us start with the service menu access methods. Method 1 is the most effective Westinghouse service menu code. This is the most widely working method for Westinghouse TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Then press 0, 0, 0, 0 in sequence. The Westinghouse service menu will appear on the screen. If this method does not work, do not worry. Now try the next method. Method 2 is an alternative service menu code. Then press 1, 9, 9, 9 in sequence. On some Westinghouse models, this opens the service or factory menu. Method 3 is the factory menu using the input code. Press the input or source button on the remote. Then press 2, 5, 8, 0 in sequence. This method works on some older and mid-range Westinghouse TVs. Once you enter the service menu, you will see advanced options. You can check panel information and panel type. You can view the software version and factory data. You can access white balance and calibration options. You can enable or disable store or demo mode. You can check error logs and usage hours. Do not change calibration values unless you are a trained technician. Now I will explain how to exit the Westinghouse service menu safely. Press the power button once on the remote. Let the TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the TV on normally. This ensures the TV boots without software or display issues.
If this video helped you fix your Westinghouse Smart TV problem, please like this video.
Share this video with your friends who may need it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV repair solutions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.